Hey guys, we are going to do another tutorial about how to draw up your medications and what the marks on these syringes mean, especially if you're new to drawing up your medication. So for a lot of my peptide and GLP-1 users, this is the most confusing thing. I'm Tiffany, I'm a physician assistant, but I'm also a GLP-1 and peptide advocate. So I do a lot of educational videos. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure you follow along. If you need access because your insurance will not pay for these things, then check out my profile because I have lots of different options for you if you don't have a good insurance access. Okay, first thing, this is an insulin syringe and it's usually going to have an orange cap on it. So just know the red capped ones are for veterinary use only. Do not use those, they're not the same. This one is kind of short. It only goes to 50 units. That's okay, you can still use it. I'll tell you the difference between this one and then the typical ones that I've seen actually go to 100 units, but you can actually use either one. The other thing you need to know about this is you can take this off. It's a teeny tiny baby needle. This needle is not interchangeable, so you can't take it on and off. So once you use it, you're finished. The writing on these is really small, but if you look at it, on this section right here where it has the big numbers, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, this one goes all the way to 50. These are the number of units. So let's say that you want to go to 23 units. You would pull the plunger back. You can see the black plunger, and you are going to go in between the 20 and 25. And there's some little bitty baby marks. They are really hard to see, but you want to pull that plunger back so that the medicine goes all the way down to there. You can actually pull it back further and then push it back to where you want it. On the other side of this syringe, you're going to see it marked off in mLs. That's even harder to see. But let me give you a calculation that is always going to be true. 100 units is always going to equal 1 ml. 50 units is always going to equal half of an ml. So often your prescription is going to come from a compounded pharmacy and it's going to tell you that you should inject, this is just an example, 15 units or 0.15 mLs. That's actually the same thing. It depends on which side of the syringe you're looking at. For me, personally, it's a lot easier to look at the unit side because they're bigger numbers, but you could also look at the ml side. Don't get confused because it is the same. They're talking about the same thing, it's just two different units. They're just converted. If you are ever confused, you make sure you ask your prescriber or your pharmacy how many units you should be drawing up, because you can make a very dangerous mistake if you draw up too many units and give it to yourself. Once you give yourself the injection, you can't ungive it to yourself. The good thing about these is a unit is always a unit when you're using the orange labeled syringes. So whether or not it's a short syringe like this one that's 50 units, or you're using the longer syringe, you can draw up 10 units in this one or 10 units in a longer syringe, and that still equals 10 units. So no big deal. Just depends on which ones you buy. Keep in mind, if your prescription wants you to inject 80 units, then you wouldn't want to buy the short ones because the most you can draw up in this syringe is 50 units. So that wouldn't be super smart. You could do it because you could draw up 50 units, give it to yourself, and then take another syringe and draw up another 30, but you'd have to give yourself 2 injections. So if your prescription involves more than 50 units, then you are going to want to do the longer syringes. For the most part, if your pharmacy is sending you supplies, they're probably going to send you the longer ones, but these were just the ones I had in my office, so I just wanted to show you this one. Let me know down in the comment section if you have questions about this because this is such a confusing topic for people and it's so important that you get this right.